Welcome to the world of Condor fishing drones. Today we'll explore the Condor A22, a dedicated fishing drone equipped with advanced features like the Newton 3 mechanical release, ensuring a seamless and efficient fishing experience. The Condor, a 22, is designed with high reliability in mind. Its flight control system is tailored for fishing, prioritizing mission success and safe return over retrieval in case of incidents like ocean landings. In the event of failures, the Condor A22 autonomously releases its load and navigates back. This feature is crucial for preventing the drone from being dragged into the sea by a tangled fishing line. Ease of use is a key feature of the Condor A22. It eliminates the need for a mobile phone, offering a straightforward calibration process and a one-button return function for efficient bait casting. The Condor A22 offers excellent value for money. It can deploy line weights up to 37 kilograms and multiple hooks offshore, with a speed of 16 meters per second, ensuring clear bait release and multiple casts per battery charge. Key parameters of the Condor A22 include a lifting weight of 600 grams, maximum wind speed of 20 knots, and a maximum distance of 1,000 meters. It also features a geofence and auto-return function for safety. The Condor A22 is tested in New Zealand to ensure reliability. Each drone undergoes flight and launch verification, guaranteeing performance before reaching customers, making it a trusted choice for fishing enthusiasts. Thank you for exploring the Condor A22 fishing drone with us. Its innovative features and user-friendly design make it an ideal choice for beginners looking to enhance their fishing experience with drone technology.